Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming essentials: Android version, which account is active, and a working network. Once ready, open settings and go directly to apps or apps and notifications, then see all apps so you can find Google Play Store and the Play Store setup entries. Make sure you've backed up anything important before you change permissions or disable services. This prevents accidental data loss. Move now to identify the correct setup process app so you can stop the Play Store setup safely. You'll now stop active processes. Open the Play Store app entry, tap Force Stop, then disable or uninstall updates if the option exists to prevent automatic restarts. Next, find Google Play Services and any setup wizard or package named Play Store Setup. Clear cache and storage, then force stop that package. Make sure to revoke extraneous permissions such as contacts or SMS if they aren't required. This reduces background triggers. Once done, reboot or move to the next step to finalize the change. You finish by rebooting the device and testing. Open any app that previously triggered Play Store setup to confirm it no longer auto-launches. If the setup restarts, re-enable the apps briefly, repeat clear data and force stop, then check account sync settings or temporarily remove the Google account before disabling again. Only consider a factory reset as a last resort. Backup data and sign out of accounts first. Quick troubleshooting tip: if a background update keeps re-enabling the setup, disable auto-update.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.